what can I say? We're going to try to make the best of the current situation that's gripping the entire planet. And so the assumption was that everything was great with the economy, and you might as well just use your money that you have extra to purchase your new instrument. But doggone it, it's just other things kind of crept in to mess everything up. But we're going to try to make the best of it. We are going to move forward, and we're going to continue talking about bass guitars that are in the $300 to $500 range, okay? And this week we're going to just stick to one manufacturer again because they have so many to offer, all right? And we're going to talk about those right now. Hello everybody, my name is Jose Cruz and welcome back to Bass Chops for Beginners. And so, yeah, oh my gosh, what a mess we're in, but hopefully we're all learning a lesson here, right? Which kind of coincides with the purpose of this channel, right? The purpose of this channel is so it's basically me explaining to you all the mistakes that I made when I started playing bass, so that way you don't have to make them, right? I'm just going to tell you just openly here, I messed up. I wasted time, I wasted money, and I don't want you to make those same mistakes. And so welcome aboard. And if this is your first time here and you have no idea what I'm talking about, go to this video right here. Okay, this is where everything starts, and you can basically, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can start there. Okay. Also, if you find that this price category between $300 and $500 is a little bit above what you're willing to pay right off the bat for your brand new instrument, go to these videos. It starts with this, it's a 3-part series. It starts with these guys right here, and so they talk about the $300 range guitars on down, and so check those out. Today's going to be interesting because this is a manufacturer that I really like, okay? And we're just going to talk about Jackson guitars, formerly Jackson Charvel, but certainly there are some of those Charvels out there, but now it's just Jackson, okay? And we're going to start with those. But before I start, I just want to say an extra shout out to my brand new subscribers. It's been such an honor for me to see those of you coming on board and subscribing to this channel. It's an honor, and so I really dig it, and especially my brand new German viewer out there, and so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. It's like, I can't say enough how much I appreciate my subscribers here. It means a lot to me. And if you're here for the very first time and you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, when I upload a brand new video, you get that notice in your email that something's new. That way you can come right back here and check out the latest information on the topic, all right? So in this episode, we're going to talk about Jackson, but a specific, very narrow area of Jackson basses, and it's in that price range, $300 to $500, and it's going to be the 3 EQ variety of controls for their JS line. So what's interesting about these is that I'm going to show you the same guitar but with different features on it, because I think it's worthy of you looking at these, and I'm going to show you some things about them that illustrates my point in earlier videos, in that yes, you can have these guitars in the lower price category, but they're not going to have the electronics, they're not going to have the hardware, and some of the woods are going to be different. Well, this line here, the intermediate category, is going to have a lot of those hot rodded features already from the factory. So let's just start, okay? The first one in the series, and I got to use my notes here, so forgive me, it's going to be the Jackson X series, the letter X, okay? And this one is, I picked this one because it's just different. It's the butterscotch with the PJ arrangement of pickups, okay? And a maple fretboard, okay? I kind of like that. If you like the Fender Precision style body, Jackson just takes it to another level by adding that pick guard, which actually adds a little bit of a visual appeal to it. And I really like the fact that they put a black pick guard on there. It just kind of balances everything out, especially with the pickups being black. And did you notice something? I think it's really cool. Jackson makes their own high mass bridge, right? It looks very reminiscent to the high mass bridge from Leo Kwan. Also, Fender makes a version of that. Certainly it's reminiscent to a Hipshot, although Hipshot is in a league all their own with their high mass bridges. But yeah, Omega, that's what that looks like. It looks like it's a Leo Kwan Fender, which they all copied the Leo Kwan design, but yeah, they come with high mass bridges right off the bat. The next one in here is the concert bass, and I really love the concert bass because, again, it reminds me so much of the, well, kind of like my Precision right there, but Jackson makes their version of it. And this is the JS3Q, the Cherry Burst, with the difference here, unlike the previous guitars, that this guy has soap bar humbuckers on board. A really interesting fretboard wood species called amaranth. Okay, the next one on the list is the JS3Q. They're all JS3Qs with the exception of the X models, but this one is transparent black burst, again with humbucker soap bars and amaranth fretboard. I really like that style. Okay, and the thing that I really appreciate is that they stuck those giant soap bars on there, those humbuckers, and so you're gonna get so much buku tone out of this thing. Okay, it's gonna be a very versatile guitar, even though it kind of has that rock and roll heavy metal look to it, but because of its output tone characteristics, it's going to be worth something for you to look at. And the next one, they call this the Kelly Bird in transparent red burst with humbuckers again and amaranth fretboard. I like that body style. You've seen that body style before in the lower price category, and you're gonna see, we're gonna repeat Jackson again, just as we did with the previous price category. In the intermediate category, you're gonna see these same body styles, again with better wood, better electronics, better hardware. And this particular, the Kelly Bird variety here has a little bit more to offer for you, right? It's a little bit more advanced. And then I wanted to go back to the X series here, and this one I really like because it's the Snow White, again with the PJ pickup arrangement there. But rather than using the amaranth fretboard, they're using maple. Okay, and it sticks out. It's very stunning to look at. I like the maple fretboard. I like the amaranth, obviously, but I do like this one as well. Okay. Hey, guess what? I've joined the 21st century, and I actually have a Twitter account now, so there's the address if you want to follow me on Twitter. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, there is that guy. Okay. Also, if you like to be a fan of this website, or actually this, YouTube page on Facebook, there is the address for Facebook as well. And so, yeah, that's really cool. Let me know what you think about these guitars. I really like the Jackson line. You've heard me say before that they're very well made. They take their time to crank out a very solid instrument, and the price category obviously reflects it. But you'll notice that they have things on there that, it's unmistakably hot rodded versions of the previous category. And so check out Jackson guitars, all right? In the meantime, do something cool. Let me know what you're thinking and say hi, okay? I really do appreciate all of the feedback that I get from all of you that are subscribing to this channel, okay? So really cool. I'm gonna say something different this time around. Wash your hands or die.